Welcome to our healthy cooking tutorial. Today we're making a delicious grilled chicken salad with a balsamic vinaigrette. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients. For the chicken, you'll need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the salad, grab some mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and red onion. And for the vinaigrette, you'll need balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and Dijon mustard. First, preheat your grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. Brush the chicken breasts with olive oil to prevent sticking. Season both sides with salt, pepper, and any herbs you like. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes per side until it's cooked through and has beautiful grill marks. This ensures the chicken is juicy and flavorful, ready to be the star of our healthy salad. Now, let's move on to making our delicious balsamic vinaigrette. While the chicken is grilling, let's make our balsamic vinaigrette. In a small bowl, whisk together balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Now that our dressing is ready, it's time to combine all the elements for a delicious salad. Now let's assemble our salad. In a large bowl, combine mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and any optional toppings you like. Place the grilled chicken strips or cubes on top. Finally, drizzle the balsamic vinaigrette evenly over the salad. Next, you'll learn how to toss and serve this healthy and delicious creation. Gently toss the salad to coat all the ingredients with the dressing and distribute the grilled chicken evenly. Serve immediately by dividing the salad into individual plates or bowls. Enjoy your healthy grilled chicken salad with balsamic vinaigrette. As we conclude this tutorial, remember the joy of creating nutritious and delicious meals from simple ingredients. Stay tuned for more recipes.